Hey guys, it's Kevin here, and welcome back. And if you are new, welcome for the first time. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video you're about to watch helpful, be sure to hit that share and like buttons. So today I'm here to talk about and review a Nintendo Switch third-party controller. It is by a company called PDP, and then the controller is Afterglow. Now it is an official licensed Nintendo product, so it is sanctioned by Nintendo. It is not a kind of third party where they just created their own controller. This is the plastic container that it came in. You'll be able to pick this up at pretty much most major retailers like Target, Walmart, etc. It's also available at Amazon, which I will include a link below if you want to check it out there. But once you open it up, you are going to get the little wireless or the little cable to charge this up, and then the controller itself. Now, I want to go over the perks of this controller and then kind of the downfalls of it. It's same layout. The only difference are they flip the camera capture button and the minus button and the plus button and the home screen button. All the joysticks all very tight. It doesn't have any drift yet that I have noticed, which is a common problem. You charge it on the back here. Now this is kind of one of those negative sides because that hole is very specific to their cable, or if you have a cable that has a very small adapter, it should fit in there. So you can't use this with any cable, which is kind of annoying, but it's not the end of the world. Now what's kind of cool about this, it lights up. So if I can get it to activate here, as you can see, it lights up, and so you can change the color mode to where it's set all the time as a certain color, or I have it to, as the joystick moves, it kind of changes color. But you do that by kind of holding down this button, and then you can go through the various command modes and change brightness and do various different setups to kind of however you want. Another nice thing about this is, and this is a big plus for me, is the back has a little pad here, which to kind of take this off so you can see it. There's these two little pads here. So you can remove this if you don't like to use them, but it's programmable. So you can program this to basically be any of these buttons. And one of the things I don't like when I'm playing certain games is I'm not a fan of when I have to press down on the little joysticks, just because you can end up pressing down and then going up. So it's nice to have when your hands are sitting here, just pressing the backs to get it to activate. So other negative kind of thing is that's kind of a big bust for me on this product, and I think it's because of the lights. It does go through battery life a lot faster than the Nintendo Pro joystick or controller. So I'm constantly charging this, probably I would say every 2 to 3 days. So if you're going to get this, I would recommend that when you're not using it, just to constantly plug it in and keep it charged up. It does not support rumble feature. If that's important to you, note it does not have the rumble. And because it is not an actual Nintendo product, even though it's licensed by them, it does not have the little reader for, I forget, the Amiibos. But yeah, so that's kind of basically it. It's a cool looking controller. And like I said, the joysticks are very tight and the buttons are great. As that aspect, I'm very happy with it. Just the downside are some of those things that I mentioned. If they bug you, to me, the biggest thing is the battery life. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond. And then that's it, guys. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out. Hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.